And now here's a quick Steamboat market snapshot. As of September 1st, 2025, year-to-date average price per square foot in Steamboat is $805 a square foot. That's down 1% from 2024. Year-to-date median sales price is $1.23 million, down 5% from 2024. Year-to-date median days on market is 22 days. That's up 57% from 2024. Year-to-date sold listings in Routt County is 354. That's down 3% from 2024. Total year-to-date sales volume is $575 million in Routt County. That's down 4% from 2024. Pending listings in Routt County, 128 pending listings, up 13% from 2024. Active residential listings in Routt County, there are currently 419 active residential listings. That's up 54% from 2024. A few other Routt County stats courtesy of Land Title. I like looking at these. It shows us a little bit about the demographic and types of buyers that we're seeing. Of the total transactions in July, 51% involved local buyers, 12% came from the Front Range, and 37% were out-of-state purchasers. There were no international buyers in the month of July. There were a total of 102 loans closed in July, with 44% of purchasers closing with financing at the time of the sale and 56% closing with cash. So we're still seeing a lot of cash transactions, more cash transactions than transactions with debt. And there were 66 refinances, something that I expect to see pick up in pace as we're seeing some relief on mortgage rates. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate fell to 6.28% as of today, Monday, September 8th, according to Mortgage News Daily, marking the lowest level since October of 2024. This drop is largely due to weaker than expected job reports, which increased speculation that the Fed will begin cutting rates. The next meeting is next week, I believe the 14th and 15th, so we'll see what kind of policy comes out of that meeting. Though mortgage rates don't track the Fed's policy rates directly, they do closely follow the 10-year Treasury yield, which also declined amid growing economic caution. So as we move into the fall, the market typically starts to reduce in sales velocity, fewer showings, fewer transactions closed. We did see a bit of a pop in pendings, and I'd say demand is centered on well-located, appropriately priced homes, while aggressively priced or dated properties are tending to sit on market longer. If you have questions about today's content or the Steamboat real estate market, please reach out to me at ryan.cox@steamboatsir.com. Again, ryan.cox@steamboatsir.com. If you or someone you know is buying or selling in Steamboat, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to help. I'd love to be a resource. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.